For lesson number 2, we're going to be doing placing eyes. I kind of displayed that in lesson 1, but I'm just going to show you on a 3-point rotation how to properly place eyes on a cartoon character. So part of head structure, this is placing eyes. So if you're doing a head turnaround chart, we're going to go like this. We're going to go like this. Right. And like so. So we've got front 3/4, and side, right? We have a character here. We got eye placement here, right? So his make sure it's on the right line, and then from front 3/4, right? I'm gonna shift this eye back. My placement there. And then we've got like so. Oops. There you go. So that would be eye placement for front 3/4, and side. That's the end of lesson number 2.